Hey, what's up, guys? I changed my hair, so it's different, obviously. And we got a new puppy. Her name is Shiloh. Say hi, Shiloh. She's very cute. So if you guys want to adopt her, link down in the description. I'm just kidding. Nah. But like, legit though, we want to get rid of her. So you want to adopt? Down below. No, I'm just kidding. We're not selling her, but we want to get rid of her. My brother doesn't. So it's his dog. So, but today we're here to talk about Shiloh. And if you guys want to adopt her, link down in the. I've made that joke 3 times. The meme's dead. But Shiloh, you want to say hi?
That's attractive, Michael.
Shiloh, you want to say hi again? You want to say hi again? Shiloh, you want to say hi again? You want to say hi again? Say hi, Shiloh. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. And that's my mom over there. And best drink in the world, by the way. Hold up.
What?
Coca-Cola.
No.
Yes. What is it then, Mom?
Flavored water.
No.
Are you sure? Okay.
Boy.
Okay.
And then here's our current puppy. Back, Jenny. She went on his new bone. He got you loving his Sebastian. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the
best puppy in the world.
That's the sound of the best puppy in the world. Whoop, whoop. Sound of the best puppy. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the best pup.
Tell them about seeing your Aunt Ness this weekend. Aunt Missy? Aunt Missy's gonna see it.
Oh. But my Aunt Missy watches these videos now, so Aunt Missy, if you're watching this, hi. And Aunt Missy, if you're watching, can you please subscribe? Go down there, it's a big red button. If it's red, you haven't subscribed yet. And then it turns like gray, it means you're subscribed. It'll say subscribe next to a gray YouTube play button. But I don't have any subs, I don't think. I haven't checked my subscriber count in a while. But, yeah. That's pretty much all I want to talk to y'all guys about. Peace.